Greetings and welcome to another Java Advanced Imaging lecture. I'm going to tell you a little bit about how to install Java Advanced Imaging for the Mac. What I've got here is a Macintosh running 10.9.5. It's a 64-bit operating system. I've set up a little website at docjava.com. And under courseware, you can find biomedical imaging, and there's my JAI for the Mac. And you can download this and save the file, and then when you do, you'll have a JAI mac.jar available. And so what you need to do first is you need to uncompress the jar file, jar-xvf JAI mac. That uncompresses quickly. Then what you need to do is take these files here, and you want to place them in a Java Virtual Machine home page. Now that location is going to be a function of your install. For me, I just copy everything over to library Java Virtual Machines JDK, and I have a JDK 1.8 available, and then you want to put it into the contents and the home. I'm hitting tab to get completion here. The JRE, the library, and then the extensions. Once that's done, you can go over to the library Java Virtual Machines JDK, and now you can find that the libraries are present. As are the other jar files. Now, if these jar files are something you really want to use, you'll also want to make a copy of them into your local IDE. And what I've done is I've copied them over into my IntelliJ jars directory and added them to the class path. And that's pretty critical, actually, because these things are going to load the native libraries. The native libraries are the C++ libraries, which are here. So when you look around a little bit, you'll see that to get to these native libraries, peer methods are created in this so-called wrapper. So the main core and codec libraries are calling peer methods in the JAI wrapper, which then does an invocation into the C++ libraries, which have been compiled for multiple platforms. So here we can see it's been compiled for 386 and also for x64. So from that point of view, these should be compatible with all of the Intel Macs. Now if you go over to the home for your project, you can find that the jar files are there, and because they're in the project home's jar file folder, they also appear in the class path. And you can see that when you go into your project and you take a look at the jars, you should be able to see your JAI and your core in your path. And these make reference to a large number of API libraries, and that should give you everything you need to get a clean compile. And I want to thank you for your attention.